Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this liquid eyeliner from Eyeko London. It's the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner and Wide Lash. It's waterproof, lash enhancing, precision brush, and carbon black. And I got this in my October 2021 glossy box, which if you have not seen that unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. And I'm not a big black liquid eyeliner person, but I've tried out one other Eyeko London black liquid eyeliner before, and I thought it was great. And I saw that you can get this at Ulta, a bunch of places. The full size retails for $22, and it is very high rated. So I'm expecting this to be great, and that makes me more excited to try it out. So here's what the applicator looks like. It looks very promising, very pointy. I'm gonna do a little test swatch on my hand first. Oh, okay, the ink on this actually does not look super pigmented, and it kind of looks like it feathers a little bit. That's not what I was expecting. It's a very soft, bendy kind of brush applicator. So even just doing a little line here, it's like uneven, it's kind of not straight. Okay, so now I just got more nervous for applying this to my eye. I'm gonna try lining my upper lash line, which I'm not very good at in general, so fair warning there, but let's see how it is. Ooh, it is very gentle and comfortable on the eye. Okay, that wasn't bad. Wow, okay, that was actually really easy. Did you see I did that in 2 swipes? And it's not the darkest black eyeliner, even though it claimed that it was. But that's okay with me. I don't need it to be super dark black. I just want it to be easy to apply. But it does seem to feather a little bit. Like the edges are very uneven, and you do have to look up close to see that, but that's not very good quality either. I'm not very good at wings, so I'm not even really gonna try. But even just like doing a little extension on the end here, barely, not really like a wing either, but it just like, because it kind of feathers, it looks lumpy. So that's not good. I had really high expectations for this, but I'm not impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and on the other eye, I'm gonna like use two hands and pull my eye like this, and maybe that will make it a little bit more even. I don't know. Okay, that did not seem to help, and I did a bad job with this line. I really like this applicator. Like, it's so soft, it's so pointy, you can get right onto the lashes, but the ink itself is not great. Even when I was pulling my eye, like the edges are still so uneven, like it's not a crisp line. And I think it's uneven because of how it kind of feathers out. Yeah, that eye is very messy. I'm just so surprised that it's not very good. Now let's see. I mean, good to see there's no smudging, no transfer, so it is long lasting, but I don't want these to be long lasting. I'm going to be taking these off of my eyes pretty quickly. So obviously I struggle with doing liquid eyeliner. So I need an eyeliner that's going to be really good, really easy to use, a great formula to try and get my liquid eyeliner to look the best. So maybe if you're someone that's really good, really skilled with liquid liner, this would be fine for you. And if you have tried this out, please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But this is just not one I would recommend, and I think $22 is crazy expensive for a black liquid eyeliner. So this one just is not one that I am happy with, not one that I recommend. And I always feel bad when I'm surprised. Like, it has good ratings and I got it in a beauty box when I don't like it. I'm like, am I the only one that doesn't like this? Am I the only one that doesn't get it, that's struggling with it? But I always keep these reviews honest, so there we go. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.